today let's start with chapter number 6, adaptation in animals. So in this chapter we will study about animals. So there is a wide variety of animals living on the earth. All animals prefer living place where it is easy availability of food, shelter and favorable weather condition. Right, the place where animal can live comfortably इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, उसका habitat कहते हैं. Now adaptation to the environment. We have 5 major groups on the basis of their habitat. So we have terrestrial, land wala, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal and aerial. So first is terrestrial or land animals. They have lungs as breathing organ. वो अपने legs का use करते हैं run करने के लिए, walk करने के लिए. They have well developed sense organ जिससे food, water पे reach कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को protect कर सकते हैं. Right? Desert animal जैसे आपका camel हो गया, scorpion हो गया, snakes. They all are adapted to survive with little water. इनकी thick और dry skin होती है जो स्वेटिंग से और लॉस ऑफ वाटर से इनको प्रिवेंट करती है. कैमल्स हैव ब्रॉड पैडेड फीट जिससे वो इजीली सैंड में वॉक कर पाते हैं. राइट, देयर बॉडी इज अडेप्टेड टू स्टोर फूड एंड वाटर फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम, जो कि अपनी हम्प में स्टोर करके रखते हैं. राइट, एनिमल्स लिविंग इन कोल्ड रीजन लाइक पोलर बियर, पेंगुइन, याक, रेनडियर, दे हैव लॉन्ग hair and thick fur to get protection from cold. They also have fat layer under a thick skin to keep their body warm. This layer of fat provides them with energy during the extreme winter when food is unavailable. If we talk about aquatic animals, animals that live in water like fish, prawn, crab, turtle, ये किससे ब्रीथ करते हैं? अपने गिल्स से. और उनकी स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी होती है जिससे क्या कर सकते हैं? स्विम करते हैं. राइट, नाउ डक्स हैव वेट फीट टू स्विम इन वाटर एंड व्हेल्स एंड डॉल्फिन लिव इन वाटर. दे आर mammals and they give birth to babies and they breathe with the help of blowholes. Then we have amphibians that live both on land as well as on water, right? They begin their life in water but spend most of the time adult life on land. वो lungs से breathe करते हैं land पे और gill से और मतलब और moist skin से water. Like we have frog, toad और salamander. Arboreal like monkey, squirrel, birds spend most of the time on branches of trees. इनके sharp claws होते हैं to climb up and down branches. And they use their tails to balance themselves. और उनके strong muscular limbs होते हैं जिससे trees पे climb करते हैं. Right? Aerial animals जो fly करते हैं वो आपके air में like birds, bats, insect. They have wings to fly and tail to change their direction. ठीक है? Next is adaptation for food. Animals को हमने divide करा है according to their different food habits. Like we have herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites. So herbivores, they have sharp cutting front teeth, जिसे हम incisors कहते हैं, और strong grinding teeth को हम molar कहते हैं. They have strong legs to travel long distances. What are carnivores? These are the animals that eat flesh of other animals. इनके canines होते हैं जिससे flesh को tear करते हैं. Right? जो frog है, they have sticky tongue जिससे वो insect को catch करते हैं. Snakes have long, sharp, hollow teeth called fangs to inject venom into prey. Omnivores जो दोनों चीज खाते हैं, plants animals like dog, deer, crow. Scavengers जो क्या खाते हैं? Dead or decaying animals को like hyena and vulture. Parasites जो आपके other body मतलब host की body में रहते हैं. Like we have least, flea, ticks, ringworm, tapeworm और hookworm. Now let's study about the special adaptation for protection. They have developed with the specific features. जैसे camouflage. इसकी ability होती है कि ये क्या करता है, अपने कलर को चेंज कर लेता है और ब्लैंड कर लेता है विद द साउथ, as it becomes difficult for enemy to spot. Grasshopper हो गया, sticky insect, leaf insect. Hibernation क्या होता है? Many animals survive in extreme winter season by going into a kind of deep sleep. उसे हम hibernation कहते हैं. Right? They use the fat stored in their body for nourishment. They wake up when the spring season approaches, like polar bear, lizards, snakes, and frogs. Then we have migration. So some animals, like birds, move in large number from cold places to warm places in search of food, and warm to breed. They return to their original habitat once the winter is over. इस process को हम migration कहते हैं. साइबर क्रेन हो गया, साइबेरियन क्रेन हो गया, आर्टिक टर्न हो गया, fishes, snakes. They migrate from one place to another. Next is reproduction in animals. So the process by which animals reproduce their young ones of their own kind is called reproduction कहते हैं. By 2 steps you can reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Right? Next is egg laying animals, इन्हें हम oviparous कहते हैं. egg has a outer shell जो आपके बेबी को inside क्या करता है, कवर करके, जिस सब्सटेंस को हम एल्बुलम कहते हैं, and there is a yellow portion called yolk which contains developing baby which is called embryo, right? Baby inside the egg, it's need a warm condition to develop, and the parent animal either sits on the egg or keep it them warm. The habit of keeping eggs warm is called incubation, right? On some days जो egg cell है break हो जाता है और baby it comes out. The young one of the most of the insects are very different from adult. They undergo many changes before becoming adult. और इस process को metamorphosis कहते हैं. And animals that give birth to baby, इनको mammals कहते हैं. They birth fully formed young. They develop inside the mother's body for a fixed duration of time, right? And the mother feeds the baby with her milk and protect it from uninhabitable conditions, right? What we call viviparous. जो young one को birth देता है वो कौन होता है? Viviparous. Some animals like spiny ant eater and duckbill, they lay egg instead of giving birth to baby. ये baby को birth नहीं देते. What they do? They lay eggs, right? Now we have completed this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is animals live comfortably in their habitat. Desert animals have thick and dark skin. Thick और थोड़ी dry होती है. They have broad padded feet. Camels, snake and lizards have dash skin. जो snake और lizard की कैसी skin होती है? They have scaly skin. Reindeer and yak have long and thick fur. There is a dash variety of living animal living on the earth. There is a vast variety of dash animals have lungs as breathing organ. तो कौन सा animal? Terrestrial animal. Dash animal are adapted to survive with water. Aquatic animal. Dash animals have gills to breathe. Fish. Dash animals live on both land and water. Amphibians. Right T for true and F for false statement. Fish breathe through lungs. False. किससे breathe करती हैं? Gill से. Animals protect themselves in different way. It's true. Animals give birth to babies are mammals. It's true. Animals produce their own kind as hibernation forms. Camouflage is the ability to change the color in animals. It's true. Now give to example of each aerial animal जो हवा में होते हैं. Sparrow and your eagle. Then we have scavengers, hyena and vulture. Then we have parasites, ringworm, hookworm, migratory bird, Silurian grave. Arctic tern. Right now, oviparous जो egg lay करते हैं, like we have hen and birds. Now, how do the following animals show adaptation? Right? You have to their surrounding. एक तो इनकी thick fur होती है. Right? Now, polar bears, they have thick fur. नेक्स्ट इज याक। जो याक है इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें थिक कोट होता है। थिक कोट to withstand cold temperature. Now camel hump होती है to store food and water. Birds wings to fly. Fish breathe through gills. Now circle the odd one out. Lion, leopard, elephant and weasel. तो elephant हो गया. Next is fish, turtle, dolphin, grasshopper, frog, toad, salamander, bat. तो bat. ये scavenger है क्योंकि. Now answer the following. Define adaptation. Why it is important for animal. Right? How do carnivores adapt themselves to get food? What is camouflage? Right? जब हम क्या करता है animal अपना color change कर लेता है. What is hibernation? And write a short note on reproduction in and right. तो you आपने छोटा सा short तो लिखा है, मैंने भी आपको पढ़ाया भी था what is reproduction in animals जब वो reproduce करते हैं their young one. Right. Now we have completed with the exercise, done with the chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.